Welcome back, everyone. Look and feel your best this fall. Double board certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Seth Yellin from Marietta Facial Plastic Surgery, Laser, and Aesthetics joined me recently to share more. Take a look. Doctor, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you, Christina. Great to be back.
Well, let's talk about what you think sets Marietta Facial Plastic Surgery apart from all the rest.
Sure. I think it starts with the team approach. We have an excellent team of estheticians, of myself, the surgeon, and all of the people that support me. We also treat people like individuals, and we really bring an artistic sensibility to the project so that I really look at an individual and create the most perfect improvement for that face.
Right. You are an artist, and I'm telling you, these befores and afters are incredible. The first time you came on, I think everyone in the studio, our mouths were dropping at the difference that you made. Again, it's just a better version of you. You don't want to look like you've had work done, and you are so good at that. And today, we're going to get into those pictures in a minute, but what are we focusing on in terms of procedures?
Well, last week we spoke about the importance of mid-face volume. Today, we're going to speak about the importance of lower face and the naturalness of the lip. It's so important to, get the lip right. We're so tuned in to subtle little differences.
Yes.
And people are very anxious about changing their lips, and they should be. It's an important aesthetic feature. But I'm going to show you how things can be done naturally to enhance. So let's take a look.
Okay.
So typical patient, just wanted some subtle lip enhancement, and I will always prefer to have the lower lip fuller than the upper, and creating that nice M shape to the upper lip. The corners of the mouth curl up, and it's just an aesthetically soft, balanced look, very natural.
So natural, natural and beautiful. And as you said, the lips can be tough. Okay, let's just keep on rolling because I know he's got great ones.
So this is someone immediately after, and I just wanted to bring her in and show that you can leave looking relatively normal, right? So her lips certainly are going to soften with time, but I think very natural, very beautiful.
Absolutely. For right after the procedure?
Immediately after.
Incredible.
Next. So here's a typical patient. The mouth turns down, the lower lip is smaller than the upper lip. Adding that lower lip volume and getting the corners of the mouth up really dramatically improves her appearance.
She looks happier.
She does.
I mean, she really does.
Absolutely. Next. Here's a very tough case, right? So there's no lip, and that really, sort of half moon inverted C or U. The lips, I think, are, again, for her, always to be small, but just giving her that just enough and getting the corners up, I think makes her look much more beautiful and much more welcoming. Yes,
beautiful, welcoming, youthful, incredible.
Thanks.
That's unbelievable.
Let's move on. Lower lip should not be smaller than the upper lip.
Right.
Just doing that immediately puts her face in aesthetic balance and makes her look much better. So again, regardless of ethnicity, there are some rules that stand true, and this is a great example.
Okay.
Next. So asymmetries, where just from a crossbite, you can see that there's some significant lip asymmetry, and just creating left lower and right upper volume, you put her into better balance. Also notice the jawline is straighter. I've softened the jawline to create a much more youthful lower facial look.
And how did you just do that with
injectables?
More injectable? That's unbelievable.
Next. So if someone's lips are too big for their facial shape, they've actually reversed these. So the before is on the right and the after is on the left. You'll see that the lips are more dominant on the right and softer and more in balance on the left. By building up the rest of her face and creating more symmetry, we put her lips into better proportion.
Yes.
Yeah, next.
I mean, that is incredible.
So here's someone where we're now evolving into facial shape, where the lower face is too strong on the left and more heart-shaped on the right. That's a more feminine look on the right, a more masculine look on the left. Beautiful, but again, just subtle changes can create dramatic aesthetic improvements. Next. Chin profile, right? This is done in 5 minutes in the office and will last about 2 years.
Come on.
So this is someone that flew in from Lausanne, Switzerland, just for lower facial volume. I'm not kidding. And she's been back twice now over the last couple of years. So just something like that. And she had fillers done in Europe, but just never focused on the right thing. So she sent me her wedding picture, and it was really a heartwarming thing.
That has got to make you feel so incredible. Coming from another country where she has plenty of opportunities, but not the right approach. You know, you want somebody that gives you that beautiful, you know, the aesthetics are so important, that beautiful look again, but just a better version, not where obviously somebody's done something.
Exactly. Let's look at the next one. So here's an older patient with very tough anatomy, very short distance from chin to neck, and just some lower facial volume and a little bit of mid-face. Really almost looks like it did a facelift on it. Again, just with filler. Next. Now, here's a proportion thing. The jaw is too strong, the mid-face is too flat.
I can see it.
Bringing the mid-face forward makes the jaw look less dominant and more feminine. Next.
Oh, my goodness.
Down on the left, up on the right.
Up on the right.
Right?
In every respect, yes.
So mid-face, but the lips I enhanced. I enhanced right below those creases and really gave her a much more welcoming, much more friendly and beautiful and youthful look. And it's probably a half hour in the office.
No way.
Next. Now, in older people, when lines and wrinkles are an issue, we need to bring in lasers. But in her case, I did a lower facelift, some laser around the mouth, and then lip volume.
Okay, she looks more than a decade younger.
Yeah, and she's in her 8th decade of life.
No.
Yeah.
That is unbelievable.
Yeah. Next. And here's a woman who told me she never felt beautiful until she was in her 60s.
Aww.
That is after we did what we did. So it's truly heartwarming and points to the fact that what we do is much more than skin deep.
Yes.
This is about emotional uplift. It's about confidence. It's about feeling great. And again, if I'm a good magician, then no one can figure out the trick.
Yes.
And the illusion is effective. And that's what we do every day.
You are unbelievable. And you have a great offer for our viewers today. Tell us all about that.
So for viewers today, if you've watched the show, you get a free consultation, which is a $100 value, plus $100 towards any cosmetic procedure. And we're carrying that special through the end of the year, through the end of December. So just let us know when you call, and you'll get those benefits.
Fantastic. We want to make sure that you RSVP 770-425-7575 for an event.
Yes, we have a big event coming up. It's going to be next Thursday, the 12th, and it's our fall event. We are